back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have an exciting human resources work from home job lead for you today. The links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And as always, feel free to leave in the comments if this job lead is not for you, anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind. But the healthcare company Sutter Health is hiring a human resources process representative. Now, this is remote work from home. They are looking for someone to help their human resources department post job openings on appropriate external recruiting platforms. So, like Indeed, LinkedIn, their own website. You'll also be scheduling interviews for the managers, initiating and coordinating the post-offer paperwork, the pre-employment process and paperwork, such as drug screens and all that new hire paperwork. You'll monitor the process and progress to ensure that the hired candidates are accurately cleared to begin employment on the agreed upon start date. You'll follow up with select candidates to ensure timely completion of all required paperwork and documents, and make sure they go through all the steps and make sure that you have the clearance requirements are met. You'll also provide all of those final clearance documents to the hiring manager and other HR people. So this is mostly going to be a non-phone position. It's going to be when you do have to pick up the phone, outbound phone calls where you pick up the phone and call someone and say, hey, I just emailed you this paperwork. Can you get this into me? Or, hey, this is where you need to go for your drug screen or whatever. It's going to be things like that when you do have to talk on the phone. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED. It says equivalent experience will be accepted in lieu of a degree. So if you have experience, you don't even need a high school diploma. They do want somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of human resources field, temporary staffing, or some kind of administrative support function. So you don't actually have to have a human resources if you've been in some kind of administrative job before. So any kind of office work. They do want somebody who has 1 year of experience providing customer service, just so you have those customer service skills, and 1 year using a computer or a database system. Now, of course, you do also need to have the ability to read, write, and comprehend, great organizational skills, and great attention to detail. The pay range for this position is anywhere from $25.35 an hour all the way up to $36.76 an hour. Now, this company is based out of California. However, it says their salary range for this role may vary above or below the posted range as determined by location. That makes me think that they are hiring within the United States. And of course, the final pay is going to be dependent on your location and experience. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, as that gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.